kununua pale Meru town, most of those items kwa maduka ya Wahindi, they are imported products from abroad. The people who import those products import them using foreign exchange, mainly the dollar. If the shilling is weak, the person bringing those items will use more Kenya shillings to import one container. And therefore, the price of those items to our people will be very high. If the shilling is strong, to import one container, you'll need less shillings per dollar, the prices will be moderated. That is the connection between the common mwananchi and the strength of the currency. If the shilling is strong, the shilling will have more purchasing power, and the products that come that are required in our household will cost less. Today, the shilling, which was exchanging at 167 against the dollar, is at 127, 128. Today, the price of unga, 2 kilos, which was 230, 240, 250, 260, is somewhere between 100, 110, 120. Today, the inflation, the escalation of prices of essential commodities, which was at 9.6% monthly, is now 3%, 2.9, 2.7%. Interest rates for our business people. Najua ule mtu ako na kabiashara kake somewhere hapo Meru, ameajiri watu 3, 4. They need affordable credit to expand their micro or small business so that they can employ a few more people. Interest rates were very high. You have seen today interest rates in the commercial banks have started coming down. All those interventions, reducing interest rates, reducing inflation, strengthening the shilling, reducing food prices, has not happened by guesswork. It has happened by hard work of President Ruto and his administration. Very painful decisions we had to make. So the revenue we were collecting, we were applying it to stabilize food prices, to stabilize fuel prices. Remember, fuel prices had gone up to 217 a liter. And today now it is in the region of 165, 167. So that is what has taken our 2 years. Heavy lifting, hard decisions. And today, what remains now for the remainder of the term, 2.5 years now, is now to build on that strong foundation of a strong macroeconomic performance to roll out programs and projects that will easily now increase the amount of money in the pocket of the individual. Hiyo ndio biashara tumebaki nayo. Si tulisema pesa mfukoni. But you cannot have programs for increasing household incomes when inflation is escalating, when the shilling, the currency is weakening, when interest rates are high, when food prices are high. Therefore, most of the money went into subsidized fertilizer. And today, for the first time in 16 years, Kenya will not import even 1 bag of maize. When we came into office in 2022, we had to give permits for importing 10 million bags of maize. The second year, the amount of imports went down to around 7 million. This year, we will import 0 bags of maize. Subsidized fertilizer, other interventions to strengthen